Hey everyone, so I thought I'd do a bit of a new video of our unit and a sort of bit of a build vlog as such. So this is the unit. It was an old barn, it was rotten and bits falling down and that, it didn't have a roof, so pitched the idea to my landlord if we could rent the space and build something here. He had a couple of roof trusses, so we kind of built it to that size. So we re-concreted the floor with some membrane, some damp proof under the floor. Obviously the walls you can see here have got damp proof membrane all around, and obviously got a damp proof course at the bottom. So this will be the shop. So what I'll do is I'll put some pictures of the build quality now, and so you can see the progress. So that was the unit build progress up to date. So it's moving along. It's taken a bit longer than we thought, but it's moving along well. So this area here, this room, will be a sort of stock room come packaging room where we can process all the orders and pack them up and get them out and get pallets in and out. The front's gonna have a sort of front where we can wash cars, a bit of storage space up there. But what I'll do is I'll update it as and when, and I'll post a new video with a bit of a longer process and what we've done and everything. So remember to share, subscribe and like, and I'll catch you soon.